Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Dodge Avenger. We'll explore its key characteristics, from its design philosophy to its market standing. Understanding these foundational aspects helps set the stage for a deeper dive into what made the Avenger unique. We'll cover its general appeal and how it fit into the automotive landscape. Moving on to performance, the Avenger offered a choice of engines to suit different drivers. The four-cylinder was efficient for daily commutes, while the powerful V6 delivered a more engaging experience. We'll look at how these engines translated into real-world driving dynamics and what you could expect in terms of power and efficiency from each option. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: just like a reliable car, good meal prep keeps you going. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They're super handy. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Inside, the Dodge Avenger prioritized functionality and ease of use. While not luxurious, it provided a comfortable cabin with practical features for everyday driving. We'll discuss the available technology, comfort amenities, and important safety aspects that contributed to the overall driving experience. It aimed to offer value in its segment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.